Hi guys, it's Karla. Welcome to another episode of The Bright Side, where I share tips to brighten your home and your life. And today is an Ask Karla. I love these, so remember you can always comment below and then I can answer your question on one of these videos. So this question was about gallery walls and about putting art on your walls and basically how do I like to do it. So I love this question and I think this question is gonna apply to a lot of you. So a few different ways. First way is you can do an eclectic gallery wall, and I'll link below because there is another video. I've done a couple different videos actually on gallery walls, so if you search my name in gallery walls, those should come up. But that is a little bit the harder way. So I'm gonna give you the easier way. The easiest way to do it is choose the same frame and the same matting and then just mix up the prints. So I actually like to use, I'm not sponsored by this, but IKEA I think has really good, nice frames. And sometimes what I will do with them is actually get an IKEA frame and then I'll change up the matting somewhere else so it looks, because their mattings are a little beige, I don't know why. But anyway, just a little tip there. So that's one way to do it. So if you went all white frames or all black frames, all white matting, and then had different pictures, it's gonna look pretty uniform. The other thing you can do is that if your pictures are kind of all over the place, you could get them reprinted all in the same tone. So an easy way is black and white. So if you got them all in black and white, then you have a little more leeway to mix up the frames. Now, an easy way, again, that I think you can mix up the frames, that you can't go wrong, is choose black or white. So let's choose white for this example, and then mix in a metallic and mix in a wood. So if we chose white, we're gonna mix in gold. I really like gold. So mix in some gold frames and mix in some wood frames. And then ideally, if the pictures are in the same tone, if they're not, I still think you can get away with it. So this is your best way of doing a gallery wall that looks cohesive and not like it's just gone crazy. My other tip with that is make it big. I see a lot of little itty bitty gallery walls. A common place to put them is behind the couch. What I want you to do is get like painter's tape and tape out the area where you're going to put the gallery wall and actually fill that up. Now you may think it's too big. Don't worry, it's not. Bigger is better when it comes to art, when it comes to gallery walls, when it comes to impact. So yeah, use the painter's tape and then you can frame it out in there. And you can also start by doing it on the floor. So arranging your frames on the floor. Some people cut it out in paper. I don't have the patience to do that. I think an easy way to do it is put it on the floor and then take a picture of it. And then I kind of just eyeball a little bit. And then about 2 to 3 inches for the pictures apart from each other. You don't want them too close and you don't want them too far. So I hope that has helped. Thank you so much for asking the questions. I actually have also a guide for you on some of my favorite gallery walls that I've found, and you can link to that below. So if you like this video, make sure you like it, that you are subscribed and share to your family and friends, and also hop on over to karladreyerdesign.com and make sure you are subscribed to my weekly newsletter. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.
Do you want your place to feel warm and welcoming and represent you and your family? If you do, I've created a program just for that. It's called Design Your Dream Home. It's an online-based program that'll take you through my exact design process I use when designing a new place. In this program, we'll go through how you want your place to feel, which is a huge thing and often missed. Then how the room actually functions, which may surprise you. We'll go down and narrow your personal style, which I promise you is life-changing because no more time and money spent on things that don't represent you. And then we'll go through where to find inspiration, how to narrow down that inspiration, and you'll basically end up creating a design board of the exact items you want for your room. I also have a couple bonuses on color and accessorizing. Once you're in the program, you have lifetime access and can refer back to it at any time. If you want to design your dream home, I've got the link below with more information and I'd love to see you there.